Hey guys, welcome back to Next Shift. Today we're gonna have a quick hands-on with this gaming laptop right here. This is the Asus TUF Gaming FX505 and it's meant to be an affordable gaming laptop. Powering the FX505 is none other than AMD's Ryzen 7 3750H processor. Most manufacturers go for Intel's processors, so it's pretty interesting that Asus is using an AMD solution here. Nonetheless, the Ryzen 7 should be powerful enough to provide a good level of performance for this gaming laptop. And when it comes to gaming, it's the GPU that is the bottleneck most of the time. Speaking of which, this variant of the FX505 has Nvidia's brand new GTX 1660 Ti GPU. In terms of performance, it is said to be almost equivalent to the older GTX 1070 mobile GPU. And if you want to compare it to something newer, it is said to be about 5% slower than the RTX 2060. Without a doubt, you can game pretty damn effectively on the 1660 Ti. I played a couple rounds of Apex Legends with this gaming laptop and I was getting somewhere around 70 to 80 frames per second. It's definitely a high enough frame rate to get an enjoyable gaming experience. As for the display, it's a 15.6-inch 1080p 120Hz panel. However, for the Malaysian market, you're not gonna get a 1660 Ti with this high refresh rate panel. If you want the 120Hz screen, you would have to go for the RTX 2060 model. So yeah, that's the Malaysian market. Nonetheless, in terms of panel quality, it can get reasonably bright, it has great viewing angles, it's an IPS display after all, and the high refresh rate is very enjoyable to game on. Besides that, I also love the slim bezels that surround the display. It is, still a little bit on the thicker side of things, but it does give the laptop a modern appearance. In terms of build quality, most of the laptop, actually all of the laptop is made out of plastic. You get a plastic palm rest area, plastic bottom chassis, and even the lid is made out of plastic. However, this particular model is a metal lid, but for the Malaysian market, it's all plastic. Input devices of the FX505, on the other hand, is surprisingly good. The keyboard has a decent amount of travel, it is very tactile, and I imagine you can game very effectively on this gaming laptop. The trackpad, on the other hand, is very good as well, especially for a gaming laptop. It is using Windows Precision drivers, so you're gonna get a very accurate and very easy to use touchpad. Unfortunately, right now we don't have a retail price for the FX505 yet. It will be launched in Malaysia on the 23rd of May, so we will only find out then. But if it's priced well, it could be a very good option for those who are looking to get an affordable gaming laptop. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and click the bell to get notified of our new videos here at Next Shift.